What's going on, family? We back at it again with another day. You know what I'm saying? We back at my house. We, you know what I'm saying? We got some back today. Gonna go ahead and get crazy in that mug. Try to get it done. Really, this video gonna be mostly that straight work. Just show all that. Today we gonna be trying some lower back. Get some blood stimulus in our lower half of our back. So we're gonna get some hyper extensions in. No lat pullovers. We just gonna get some lower back, mid, and lats. Hit all three of those, and then that's really it. Today we woke up at 205. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking pretty lean. I think I'm gonna touch 203 this week. I don't know. We might. You know how my weight be, y'all know how my weight be. It'd be crazy. It'd be like going up, down, side, left, right, yada yada yada. It'd be crazy. Oh man. But before I left, I had two of my Ninja Creamies. I made two Ninja Creamies, right? I had made one mostly like protein. The other one was like mostly just the fruits. When you make it though, like when you make it like with just the fruit and you try to do the ice cream roll, it comes out disgusting. I don't like it. You gotta do the I think it's called a sorbet. Like it's basically like Italian ice. That's what it is. But it's nasty. I don't like that crap. If there ain't no protein in it, I ain't just gonna use it with fruit. But they say you gotta use like something like with fat in it so it can like be easier to mix, I guess. I don't know. I'm still figuring it out, but I still love my original one where I used the protein shake and then I used the fruits. That be gas. That be gas for sure. But yeah. Damn, man, we got one more week after that. Damn, bro. This journey, bro. This journey for this damn cut is crazy, bro. This is the longest cut I've ever done in my life. Last year was about like 16 weeks. And I ain't even gonna lie to you, I broke. I was like, bro, I can't do this no more. Cause I wasn't even like, you know what I'm saying, cutting for something. I was just cutting just to, you know what I'm saying, just say I can do it. But this time I'm doing it for something, so I think that's another motivator for me. But, man, damn, next week's one more week till peak week. And then we there. Damn. Oh, shoot, man. We finna go crazy, bro. Them boys not ready, bro. I don't care what happened, bro. I did that. I did that, fam. I did that. By myself, fam. Like, nothing crazy. Like, hold myself accountable. Letting myself know, like, no, bro. None of that bull crap, bro. Like, stick to the diet. So, yeah. We did that, bro. We did that. I ain't gonna lie. Ah, man. Probably like that Sunday leading into peak week, I'm gonna make a video like talking like I'm gonna do like my 100 days of like depletion, basically like me not getting no carbs. So I'm just gonna document that too. That's gonna be like a separate video for sure. I kind of got the idea from Will Tennyson. It was actually a pretty cool video, so I'm definitely gonna do that and see what that's talking about. And then I got some content on the way, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I got some stuff. I got some ideas now. Especially like watching other people and getting inspiration from them, like Swole Ricketts, Turbo2Fit, Will Tennyson. Them are the three guys I've been watching recently. And like the way they like their format and their content is, it's not just all like around the gym. It's mostly like just in their everyday lives, right? The reason that mine's is like mostly around the gym, because that's all I do. Like that's all I really do. Like I don't really, especially like if I'm in prep, you know what I'm saying, like then it's like that's all I do. I go to the gym home. I can't really do too much. But like coming off this thing, I'm gonna get more like comfortable like posting like me going on trips or me trying new restaurants. Like when I go to New York after the show, I'm taking y'all along with me. We going sightseeing. We going for food hauls. We got these restaurants we gotta try. I'm gonna show y'all all the restaurants I go to, every single one. And y'all gonna see how much of a fat ass I am. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just, you know what I'm saying, bring y'all in more into my life, you know what I mean, to show you that, you know what I'm saying, I'm not just surface level, it's like it's deeper, if that makes sense. But yeah, just like getting inspiration from them guys, and it's just like, hey, I might as well, man. Take y'all along and see if y'all, fuck with it, you know? But yeah. Alright, that's enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and get some work. Go slap crazy. Let's get it. Oh man, crazy, pump. I really like them lower hyper extensions. They really get your back right. You kept your lower back for sure. Ooh, show off this back pump, get up out of here. Oh, it's a tall boy. In my 45. Ooh.
Hello? Hey.
Oh yeah. Every time we come here, we're getting closer and closer every day. But yeah, like I said before, it's gonna be a quick video, nothing crazy. We're going to get some cardio in, some sauna in, and start it up again this Friday and Saturday. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in and coming along with me on this journey. We're so close. Appreciate y'all. See y'all Friday. We go.